students, welcome to HP Company School. I am Nisha James and I am taking Biology Practical. Today we are going to do the second 12th standard Biology Practical. So what is the heading of this practical? The aim of this practical is to perform emasculation, bagging and tagging for controlled pollination. Okay, so what is the aim of the practical? To perform emasculation, bagging and tagging for controlled pollination. Okay, so all this emasculation, bagging and tagging, these are the different steps of artificial hybridization. Artificial hybridization is a type of cross pollination. Okay, now I am going to tell what are the various materials required for this practical. The materials required. First one, ornamental plants, white plants having bisexual flowers. So what is the meaning of bisexual flower? A flower with both the sex organ, that is both the male sex organ and the female sex organ. And the second one, forceps. Okay, and the third one, brush. And the fourth one, paper bag. And the fifth is paper clips and also tags. So these are the various materials required for this practical. So first I am going to tell you what is the method of this practical. First we have to select the flower where we have to perform artificial hybridization. And I told you that it should be a bisexual flower. From that bisexual flower, with help of a forceps, we have to remove the anther. What is anther? Anther is the male sex organ. This step is called emasculation. So, emasculation is the first step. What is the first step? It is the removal of anther from a bisexual flower. So, by removing this anther from the bisexual flower, this will be a female flower. Now, we have to cover this flower with a paper bag. This is called bagging. So, bagging is the second step of artificial hybridization. And after bagging, we have to take a male flower. We have to take that male flower to the side of the particular emasculated flower. Okay, then we have to select the pollen grain from that male flower. With help of a brush, we have to dust the pollen grain on the surface of the stigma of the emasculated flower. Okay, this is called dusting. So once again I am telling what is dusting. We have to choose one male flower. Then we have to collect the pollen grain with help of a brush. Then we have to dust this pollen grain on the surface of the emasculated flower. This process is called dusting. And after dusting, we have to do rebagging. And after this rebagging, we have to put a label. In this label, what we have to mention? We have to mention the seed of the parent. Okay, then the name of the plant from where the pollen grains are selected. And we have to put a cross mark. This cross mark is an indication of the cross-pollinated plants. So these are the steps of artificial hybridization. Now I am going to tell you how to perform this practical. Now let's start with our practical. So I told you that what is the first step? The first step is, first we have to take a bisexual flower. So I have taken some of the flower. This is a bisexual flower. I already told you that what is a bisexual flower? A flower which consists of both male and female sex organ. You know that in a plant, the male sex organ is called anther and the female sex organ is mainly the stigma. Okay. So now I am going to perform the artificial hybridization. So what is the first step of artificial hybridization? The first step of artificial hybridization is emasculation. So what is emasculation? Emasculation means removal of anther from a bisexual flower. So I have taken flower. Okay, so this is my flower, the white color flower. Now I am removing anther. So these are the anthers. With help of a scissor, I am cutting the anthers. Okay, so I have removed all the anthers. Okay, so this is called emasculation. Okay, so emasculation is the first step of artificial hybridization. It involves removal of anther with help of a scissor from a bisexual flower. Now this flower is a female flower. Now the second step is we have to cover this flower with a polythene bag or paper bag. Okay, so I have taken this polythene paper and now I am going to cover the flower with this polythene bag. Okay, so I have done the covering. Okay, so I have done the covering. You can find that. So after keeping the polythene bag, we have to do stapler. Okay, yeah, paper clip, anything you can use. So I have done it. So this is called bagging. So this is the second step of artificial hybridization. Now after bagging, what we have to do is we have to take a male flower. Okay, so this is a male flower. Okay, so it consists of anthers. Now with help of a brush, okay, we have to remove the anthers. We have to take the anthers with help of a brush. Okay, now we have to dust. Okay, already we have done bagging. That bag we have to open. Then we have to dust the pollen grain on the surface of the stigma. Okay, ये flower के जो stigma portion में we have to dust the pollen grain. So this is called dusting step. After dusting, we have to cover this again with a polythene bag. Okay, the same polythene bag that we already covered that we can use. Okay, so in this way we have done the artificial hybridization. So what are the steps? What are the steps? First one I told you that we have to take a bisexual flower. Then we have to remove the anthers with help of a scissor. Okay, then we have to cover it with a polythene bag or paper bag. Then we have to select a male parent. Then with help of a brush, we have to take the pollen grains and we have to dust it on the surface of the female flower. We have to rebag it and then we have to keep one label. Okay, label you have to take a short or a small paper slip. In that paper slip you have to write which details. First one, what is the seed parent, that is what is the parental flower, and then from which flower the pollen grains are selected. And then we have to put a cross, that is the indication of the pollination. Okay, so this about the practical artificial hybridization. I think all of you understood the topic. So students, now I am going to tell you how to write the practical journal. This is your practical number 12. Okay, so here aim is already given. Now you have to write the principle. Okay, now principle is already given in the manual. You can copy the principle from there. And you can find the diagrams of this artificial hybridization. So here you have to write, okay, the explanatory part of this diagram. Okay, so first step is the emasculation. So you have to write what is emasculation. And the second one is the bagging of the emasculated flower. So you have to explain what is bagging, how it can be done. And the third diagram is the showing cross pollination. So you have to explain what are the steps of cross pollination. That means you have to select the male flower, then you have to remove the pollen grain, you have to dust the pollen grain with help of a brush and also rebagging. So this explanation you have to do in the third diagram. And then in exercise some of the question answers are also given. Total 2 questions are given. Okay, so you have to complete the answers of all these question answers. Okay, so that is for our practical artificial hybridization. Thank you.